So the shea butter, which is rich in vitamin E, and we all know that that's good for your skin. Honey's going to draw in moisture to your skin as it is a humectant. It also includes beeswax, which helps to form a protective layer on the skin, as well as the jojoba, which is rich in vitamins and minerals that help bring moisture and balance to the skin. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies, and how y'all doing, newbies? And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, well, honey, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody perhaps checking me out for the first time, for the second, maybe even for the third. We don't count such things around here. We really don't. I just want all of my summertime subs and summertime noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, if you thought that we were all done and over with as far as the body scrubs, honey, nothing could be further from the truth. Now, we went over a hot chocolate scrub not too long ago, and we made mention of a mint lemonade scrub, but now we are going to get into another scrub. Yes, we have another scrub on the list that you may be interested in. It is of the lemon persuasion. It has a sugar base, and it is a decadent scrub that may leave you in summertime bliss. Hint, hint. Being that the season is not over, we have time to squeeze one more in. And that's what we're about to do. So without any further ado and without any further delay, I'm going to need you to lend me your eyes, your ears, and your nose, because we are about to experience and talk about the delights of lemon and sage satin skin body polish by Bliss. This is a company that has been around for a while. Starting off as a spa enterprise, it then released its body products not too long after. Its skincare products, including those for the face, are planet-friendly and cruelty-free, dermatologist-tested, and formulated with the mission to empower everyone to achieve a higher state of happy, one self-care moment at a time. Now, for all of those who are not initiated and happen to be a looky-loo for the very first time, aka newbie, I talked about the products that I have from this line not too long ago, which also included, I believe it was a shower gel, and I just made mention of this particular body scrub, but this time around, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, pun intended, and just see what this product has to offer. Now, Bliss has a whole line of products, and this particular scrub falls underneath its line of lemon and sage products. So as you can imagine, it is infused with notes of lemon as well as sage. Not only help the skin, but also to engage your olfactory senses. You know how we always make note of that. So with that in mind, the satin skin polish comes in a turquoise and yellow hard plastic jar with a twist off lid. But once you open that, you get to the lemon sage goodies inside. As you can see on the inside, it is a pale yellow. Now, me opening the lid, I don't see a protective covering. You know how with most products, there's an extra lid or covering to protect the product. Now, unless this is it stuck in the lid, okay, because it does move around. So unless this is it and it just came unstuck and it's stuck in the lid, as opposed to the jar, I don't believe it comes with a protective cover. So again, this scrub has a sugar base. So therefore it's not chunky. It has a fine consistency, just like sugar. And besides lemon and sage, this body polish is infused with honey and shea butter to moisturize and smooth, as well as a rich blend of coconut and jojoba oils, which leave skin with a silky, satiny shine. It's also paraben and phthalate free, and it does not contain any SLS, which is the sodium lauryl sulfates. It's part of the sulfates family. And just me dipping my finger into it, it is very solid. What's inside, as you can tell, I can pretty much be willy-nilly as far as tilting it side to side with no real fear of it falling out or dripping out. And me putting my finger into the scrub, it is very stiff. It's pretty stiff, but will warm up and loosen once it touches your skin. And putting it on my skin, you can pretty much see the consistency, as well as somewhat of a sheen left from the oils that are incorporated in the scrub. It does feel smooth going on, and like with most scrubs, how you would use it is you would wash your body, or at least how I use it. I wash my body and then I would scrub my skin afterwards, give my whole body a scrub afterwards, and then rinse it off. So I have not used this yet, but I will. I most definitely will. And especially now during summertime with showing more skin, it's always a good thing to exfoliate. To exfoliate, get rid of the dead cells and have your skin showing and glowing at its highest point. Now the smell, because you know how we like to talk about smells around here. The smell or the scent, it definitely smells like lemon. It definitely smells like lemon. It's not overpowering. It's pretty light. It's pretty light. It's not heavy at all. At least not to me. And I know that everybody is different, but to me, it's pretty light. And even though, like I said, and even though I haven't used it, I get the impression that once it rinses off, it's not going to be lingering because of its lightness, because of the light scent. It's not going to be lingering on your skin and having you smell like lemons all day. It's just a nice little treat, both olfactory wise and skin wise, while you're in the shower and prepping your skin for the day. Now I will say, in comparison to the hot chocolate, because again, that is also a sugar base, just on my hand alone, the hot chocolate was more emollient. My hand was a little shinier. There were a lot more emollients that you could see on my skin, or the results thereof. So there is that. But I do find that this one it seems to be a little finer as far as the sugar is concerned, the granular nature of the sugar, just to do a little comparison. But both appear to be very fine scrubs. And of course, one smells like chocolate and this one smells like lemon. So there's that too. And did you know that lemon is very good for your skin? Not only is it a great exfoliator on its own, but it's also a good antimicrobial agent. Reading the ingredients, not only does it have a sugar base, but it also includes sea salt as well as an exfoliant. Okay, so after rinsing my hands, you can really see the water bead up on it because of the emollients or the oils that are in this particular product. And as I wipe away the water after rinsing, you can still see a sheen on my hand, on the back of my hand. And again, it feels really soft. It does feel soft. And there is this faint smell of lemon, but I do feel confident that that's going to dissipate throughout the day. It's not a heavy smell. It doesn't smell like perfume or lemon perfume. It's just a very light hint of citrus, if you will. So as you can see and hear, this particular body scrub has a whole lot underneath its lid to offer your skin a balance of smoothness while polishing it up and giving it a glow. So if the hot chocolate didn't appeal to you and you're still trying to figure out what your next body scrub may be, this may be something that you may want to check out for yourself. Now, this particular jar, this is a 8.5 ounce jar, and that's the size that it comes in. And you can find it not only on their website, which is blissworld.com, but you can also find it at Target, Ulta, and other drugstores, as it is readily available even on Amazon, I believe. And just like the other scrubs that I discussed, the hot chocolate and the mint lemonade from Giovanni's, Bliss's body polish, it's sort of in the same ballpark as far as price, as it retails for about $15. So while it nourishes your skin, it won't be punishing your pockets, okay? So that may also put you in a state of bliss, being that you don't have to spend too much on it. So if this has piqued your interest, the Lemon and Sage Satin Skin Body Polish by Bliss. So I think that's pretty much it as far as my collection in my skincare arsenal. I have the hot chocolate body scrub, and I did say that I was going to get the mint lemonade by Giovanni as well. I still do want that. That has peppermint in it. So if I get that in time, that's going to be another review. But in the meantime, I do have the lemon sage. So once I get that mint lemonade from Giovanni's, I think I'm done. I think I've gotten all the body scrubs that I need to get for right now. So with that being said, I told you this was not going to take long, and long it did not take. Therefore, I think it's time for us to skedaddle. What do you think? I think we should, and that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. We have a whole list of stuff that we are going to cover. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. All right.